Why is my phone running so slow, and how to fix it? Is your phone slow, lagging, or freezing? Before you replace it, there are a few simple fixes that can make a big difference. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. They solve most issues right away. Quick fixes for a slow phone. Try this first. Restart your phone. Close unused apps. Check your storage. These 3 quick steps fix a surprising number of slow phone issues. Reasons why your phone is slow. Phones usually slow down for a few common reasons. Too many apps running. Storage is nearly full. Software is outdated. Internet connection is slow. Background apps and low storage are 2 of the biggest causes of slow performance. Over time, these issues build up and make your phone feel sluggish. Phone running slow examples. Here's what a phone running slow looks like. Example: apps take forever to open. Your phone is running slow because it's juggling too many things at once. Example: websites won't load. It might not be your phone. It could be slow internet. Example: camera lags or freezes. Low storage can slow down basic features like your camera. Example: battery drains faster. Background apps are using power and slowing everything down. If the quick fixes didn't work, or you want to dive in deeper, let's take a look at how you can troubleshoot the issue. How to fix a slow phone. Step 1. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone clears memory and stops background issues. Step 2. Free up storage. Delete unused apps, photos, and downloads. Phones need free space to run properly. Low storage can slow everything down. Step 3. Close background apps. Apps keep running even when you're not using them. Background activity uses memory and processing power, which can slow down your phone. Step 4. Update your software. Updates fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Check your internet connection. If apps or websites are slow, your connection might be the issue. Step 6. Remove apps you don't use. Unused apps still take up space and sometimes run in the background. These steps help you pinpoint what's slowing down your phone so you can fix it. Why phones slow down over time. Phones naturally slow down over time due to more apps, more data, higher software demands. As apps and systems get heavier, older hardware struggles to keep up. Best practices for a slow-running phone. To keep your phone running smoothly, keep storage below full. Delete unused apps regularly. Restart your phone occasionally. Keep your software updated. Quick recap. To fix a slow phone, restart your device, free up storage, close background apps, check your internet. Common mistake. One common mistake is trying to fix everything at once. For a slow-running phone, start with simple fixes like restarting and clearing space before doing anything drastic. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.